Hey everyone, if you have a Polaris 180, 280, 380, 480, or 3900 Sport, I'm going to show you in this video how you can save $50 on a common part. This right here that you're looking at in front of me is the Polaris Backup Valve. Okay, now there's two common problems that will happen with it. Either it's going to split, like you can see this one right here. This is actually split. When this happens, when it splits, you're not going to have any pressure to the cleaner itself. So it's going to take away all the pressure and it's going to come out right here. The other problem that can happen with these, that's very common, is going to be the actual the gearbox messing up to where the water is actually coming out of the hole right here constantly and it's not stopping. So I'm going to show you how you can save $50 on this particular part right here that they don't tell you in the pool stores. If you're not a subscriber of mine and you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button and the notification bell icon, and then you'll know when I upload another video. And so what we're going to do is that I'm going to show you right here. So this is the backup valve. What we're going to do, and it's going to be hard for me to do it because I'm holding a camera, is I'm going to split this apart, and instead of taking a backup valve that they're going to sell you at the pool store, because that's what they do, normally what they're going to do is they're going to take one of these and they're going to sell you the complete part with the gearbox. Okay, there's a gearbox that's inside here. Okay, and it's going to be, like I said, it's hard for me to open it up, but there's a gearbox that you do not need if there's a crack. Okay, you just need the shell. That's the secret, just the shell. I'm going to have a link in the description to where you can pick up just the shell, but you're going to want to watch the rest of this video so you know how to replace it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to disconnect this plastic nut and this one, and I'm going to take this off. I'm going to go ahead and pop this open, and I'm going to take the gearbox out. As soon as I'm done with that, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and so what I did was I opened up the old backup valve shell and I took out the gearbox. This is the gearbox. Now you may need to replace this if your backup valve never shuts off. The gears on it are going to be messed up, and you're going to want to replace it with a new one. I'm going to have a link to where you can just pick up this part also. You know, if the water's coming out of there and it's not turning off, you just need the gearbox. So here is the new shell that I opened up, the one I just showed you. So here's the shell, and what we're going to do is I'm going to put this inside here. Okay, there's a little O-ring. You want to make sure that O-ring's on there. That's really important. But I'm going to stick it inside there, and let me just like I said, I'm trying to do this with one hand, and let me get this cap on and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here I've got the gearbox in the new backup valve shell. Remember, this is just the shell. $50 savings for this one part. In the pool stores they sell them for over $80. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these, and this is an important part also. I'm going to connect this with the wire, with the plastic nut. The plastic nut, the white part goes towards the hose, and the white part goes towards the hose. Let's see, right here. And so now I'm going to push this on here. I'm going to, right here, I'm going to connect it, and then I'm going to tighten it down, and I'm going to tighten down this other part, and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so that's it. I've just replaced the backup valve shell. Did not need a new gearbox. So I replaced the backup valve shell with a new shell. And like I said, that's a $50 savings that they don't tell you about in the pool store. Here's the old one. You can see where it cracked. It broke right at the threads. And this is just a common problem. You will see this problem happen if you have a Polaris. Eventually it will happen. You know, people take this into the pool store and they leave with an $80 part that they did not need. Okay, so So I appreciate you watching this video, and I have over I think 60 videos now on my channel. Please check those out for any type of help that you need with your residential pool, or if you're a pool professional, if you you know, you may get something out of this also. So just wanted to show you that, and I will see everybody in my next video. Thank you.